Hello all, this is Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs coming at you with yet another computer repair service job. On this job, I am currently working on an HP Beach audio laptop. It came to me with Ubuntu installed. The guy thought it was Linux. Well, technically Ubuntu is a form of Linux. And he wanted me to wipe Linux off and get Windows installed and do the Windows updates. This is the start of it. I am currently working on the Windows installation right now, and I will be back with another update as soon as I get one. As promised, this is Tim with Tim's Computer Repairs with part 2 of this update. I have successfully got Windows installed, and now I got to start the Windows updates. Don't want Windows 11. We will install updates as soon as possible. Go to advanced options. Receive updates from other Microsoft products. And then we will also turn this on. And do that. And then we will go back. And we will just have to sit back and wait for all of these updates to come in and start their job. I will be back with another update. And here's part 3. We're already getting a notification that it's almost time to restart. I'm gonna click not now. And I'm gonna wait for these updates to finish getting downloaded, and then I'll restart it. And Windows is indeed activated. Windows 10 Pro. All I'm waiting on is these updates to get done, and then I will conclude that my client is happy. Until then, this has been Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs. I'm out until the next repair.